Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty. Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today I'm here to do a show and tell on my hair. How Hey guys. Guys, thank you for watching. Yes, so I'm just to do a show and tell. So I bought this wig. I love the color. It's dark. It's nighttime. You might not see it really night, but I'm just trying to do just a short, quick video. I bought this wig and I love the color, but then it was really light. It's like the density was 150 density, but you know these people, they lie. It wasn't really 150 density. It was a bit thin, and I don't really like really thin hair. You know, I don't really like really thin hair, so I just thought, what can I do to make it a bit more thicker? So I have like this. I have this extra hair that looks very similar like this one. So I just decided to sew it and add it to make it a bit more thick. And this is how it looks like, guys, after I've added the hair. So if you want to see how I done it, I can do another week and show you. So this is how it looks like now, very thick. Before it was like really thin. Yeah, so this is how it looks like now. It's very full, and you can style it. You can do anything that you want with it. But before it was very thin and I couldn't do much with it. Plus when I comb it, some of them were shedding, so I just felt like it's going to be even more thinner. So I just went ahead and added some extra hair that I had that looks very close to this color that I have here. So far it blended in really well. This is some of the new hair that I added, and you can see it blended really well. You can't even tell that I've added different hair. So yeah, this is how I done it to achieve a volume hair. So if you've ever wondered how you can make your wig a bit more volume, a bit more thicker. All you need is a thread and a needle and then a hair color that is the same as the wig that you have, and then or similar, or even if it's not the same hair color, if you don't mind adding like two different color, some colors when you add them together they blend really well and it gives them a bit more vibe. So yeah, so this is what I done with my wig and I love it. I mean, it came out really nice and thick. If you want to buy a wig that is really thick like this, it's going to be really expensive. So I just added, yeah, this one to it to add more volumes. So yeah, basically, yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you. Don't mind all the noise and everything going on at the background. Yeah, with kids, you can't do anything with it. Just gotta leave them do whatever they are doing. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the hair that I use. So I bought I had this wig. I've got different colors of this human hair wig. It says 100% Remy human hair, but I don't think it's Remy. So I've got this one, and then I just there's two color in the bundle. The bundle is like this. This is the bundle. So this one is different color. When I try it, it was totally different to the hair that I have on, and I wanted it to match. But I might dye this one and add it to another hair color that is like this one that I have. Yeah, so this one didn't match, so I just used this one. And yeah, so this is the one. This is the different color that I have. I have 3 different colors here. So this color was a bit more. This is the kind of color that I actually wanted the wig, but when it came, like I wanted burgundy, but when it came, it was lighter than burgundy. It was different. So I had this hair. See, the ends like this. But when I added it, I mean, it blended it really well. You can't even see the different ombre at the end. It just blended very well, and I'm just really happy the way it came out. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And with this hair, there's clipping as well. It's clipping, so if you just want to clip it in, all you have to do is like open it like this and just clip it in. But for me, I wanted to sew it, so I've got clipping, like it's all like that. But I took all the clips out of it and then I just sew it down. So yeah, if you think I should dye the hair color more like this one, comment below, because this is the kind of color that I'm thinking of. So if you think I should dye it burgundy like this one, darker like this one, comment down below. If you think this one suits me, comment down below. So as always, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I love you. Please subscribe. It's very important you subscribe and support me. I'll be back with more video. Don't want to miss it. So guys, also check on my video. I've got a review for this hair. When I originally bought it, there's a review that I've done, and you will see how light that it was and how thick that it is now. So yeah, thank you for watching. Love you. Bye. Peace out. Squilla. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba. That thing go ba ba.
The thing goes grrrr.
The thing go. I love Man's Not Hot. It's my best song. Man's Not Hot. I mean, Man's Not Hot. I'm the worst singer ever in this world.
The thing goes grrrr. Skitty kit kat kat. And the pum 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 pum. Skia. Dum 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 dum.
Bye.